Hi all, I'm Mithun back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to explain about claims actually. It's really high level videos which I'm not going to in details. What I'm explaining what is claim, what are the type of claims, that's it. And again, in upcoming session of videos, I'm going to explain in detail each claim. So what is claim? That will be the first question, what is claim? So claim is basically a right of assertion of entitlement actually, in if you ask me the definition. So there was a contract something, and so for some reasons you're incurring additional cost or additional time or something that will give entitlement for it, an additional amount. So you have a contract in place. Over and above the contract, you got to spend some money or you incur some money. That will something giving an entitlement for you for a additional money. That's something the essence of claims. So claims are mainly classified into four types actually. The contractual claims, non-contractual claims, then Exgratia claims, and contempt claims. This is like this basic categorization of claims. So if you look into contractual claims, so those claims that pop up from a contract. So these claims will have a contractual basis. So within the premises of contract, these claims work. When I give you an example, we'll understand. So I have a contract with a person, and we agree to do some work. Okay, in that contract, and this contract does have some provision. If something happened or something deviate, how to handle it. So I told my friend to paint my home completely. Okay, paint my home within 10 days, and I can pay you this amount of money. Okay, what if he is not painting my house within 10 days? So there is a remedy for that. So that then the claim essence will step in. What will happen if he's not painting within 10 days? That is the essence, like where claim step in. So but as I said in the example, we will fix some remedy for that. For example, delay damage, EOT claims, and force majeure claims, termination claims, suspension claims. So these all claims are within the contract, and contract does have a remedy for that. This kind of contracts called this kind of claims are called contractual claims. So now there is another category called non-contractual claims. So the first type which I explained basically talk about within the remit of the contract. What if something there is no provision in the contract? So these item will be dealt outside the contract. Maybe contractually there is no provision, but legally in civil common law there will be a remedy for that. These kind of claims are called non-contractual claims actually. So imagine a latent defect is being identified, there is a warranty issue. Contractually there is no remedy. So if a warranty, there was a you have contracts, you buy some equipments, and there is a warranty period. Within a warranty period something happened, but the company is not paying you back. Contractually maybe there is nothing is being written, but again you can approach a consumer court, or you can approach a lawyer. There will be a remedy for that. Again guys, I'm explaining in very high level only. I'm going to touch base all these claims in detail in the upcoming videos actually. So now understood what is a contractual claim and non-contractual claim. So in non-contractual claims, contractually there is no remedies, but again if there is in common law, in legal there are remedy, because you have to go to litigation and you will get you what do you call that, a verdict for that actually. So you can see many example, errors, omissions, and material issues after the contract, mainly defect, performance issue after the contract, warranty issues. These are part of the non-contractual claims. Now we talk about the something called Exgratia claims. This is like a sympathy claims. Okay, there is no contractual entitlement for these claims, and there is no legal remedy for these claims. But again, on sympathy or as a token of gratitude, we are agreed to pay. Let us go back to the first example where I say I am agreed with my friend to paint my home. Okay, so we agreed to paint my home for some 100 dirham or 1 lakh rupees or 100,000 dirhams. Okay, I told him to paint my home for 100,000 dirham in 10 days. Okay, he said yes, agreed. but something unfortunate event happened while he bringing the paint. Something happened, or while he bringing the paint, it fell down, or he planned to get the paint by a ship. Unfortunately, he didn't get by ship, so he forced to get it through aeroplane, air freight. So something, this all causing him extra money. Okay, but again he did his work. He paint the my home completely, but he told Midun, see, I did the painting for you, but again I got additional cost, I was planned to bring it through ship, but unfortunately I had to bring the paint through air freight. It was a really big amount of money. But again, you got your home painted. I would appreciate if you could, consider a claim for that. If I look in the contract, actually there is no provision like that is obligation. But again, if I look in a sympathetic way, yes, he did a good job for me. He did painting in 10 days. I'm getting benefit out of it. My home is looking good now. But again, he got additional cost. So in this perspective, I would be ready to pay some amount. This is called Exgratia claim or a sympathy claim, whatever you call. Now there is other type called quantum merit claim, which means a doctrine of quantum merit saying, you pay what he deserves. For example, if me and my friend, we decided to do some work. Okay, I told him, bro, come and paint my home, but there is no contract. So he did some painting for 2 days. Then I told stop it. So there is no contract in position, but still again he did the work for me. In this kind of situations, in the event of there is no formal contract, but still one party getting benefit out of an action from other party, the doctrine of this quantum merit step in, and what work he had done, that should be paid reasonably, because he did a work for you, that has to be compensated. He did a work, he spent some money for that, so that should be paid. This is called a quantum merit claim. So basically, I know this is a very high level explanation. This is the intention of this class is just to give you some heads up about the claims. Okay, so we discuss contractual claims, non-contractual claims, ex-gratia claims, and quantum merit claims. So from upcoming sessions, I'm going to explain all these claims in detail. Thank you very much.